Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Recently I have gone through my previous videos, all those POVs that I've done, and I have seen that there is a lot of breath noise that is getting captured in the mic. So what I did is I have my helmet here. So what I have done with my helmet is initially the mic was placed here right in front of my nose, for which the breath noise was captured a lot. So this time I have placed the mic right here, you can see. So let's go out and check if the mic is capturing my breath noise even now, or have I done something better with the change of the mic location. Let's go ahead, check it. Alright, I have come out of my home. I'm not going very far, just going to Rohit's place. He called up to have a meeting for the Sovereign Saddles Motorcycle Club members. His home is not very far from my place. Take it as a couple of kilometers. And the route to Rohit's place has a little bit of bad roads as well, where I can test if the mic is capturing the breath noise. In my previous videos I could find the highest problem in the Waka area, where the roads were very bad and my breath noise was captured the most out there. Well, almost in all the videos the breath noise was captured, but in Waka it was comparatively more because of the inclined pebble roads. क्या गाड़ी चलाता है भाई। I also wanted to test the wind noise with this new mic setup, but the distance from my home to Rohit's place is not very far, so I won't be able to test the speed and whether the wind is disturbing the audio. Let's see, after getting out of his place I might find a route to test the audio setup, if it captures the wind noise as well. For that I'll have to go to another route, a little better road, so that I can ride the bike a bit faster. trying high speeds. Hopefully wind is not disturbing this time.